Aviation today contributes just over 2% of man-made CO2 emissions. With more people flying, the percentage contribution is going to grow. And so it's really, really important that we start making meaningful inroads into reducing aviation's footprint. The initial vehicle we're developing is an all-electric, purely battery-powered vehicle. We see them as acting as a stepping stone to improving the wider environmental impact of aviation. We're seeing massive transformation in the technologies that we're starting to use. We will see different types of batteries giving improvements in performance, improvements in range, and that's going to make these vehicles more and more affordable. We see a real adjacent opportunity for hybrid vehicles, either using sustainable fuels in gas turbine generators combined with batteries, or also a really exciting opportunity using hydrogen fuel cells, again combined with batteries. Vertical's in fact already run hybrid solutions, and we're in discussions with a number of companies that are developing for these kind of applications. Vertical firstly will have new variants of the VAX4, but also we're working on larger vehicles, and at that point we really open up the potential for disrupting the whole ultra short haul airline market. We've started with an aircraft that is really heavily automated, so as much of the pilot workload is done automatically, but the pilot is ultimately in the vehicle and able to take control. Over time, we will see probably in non-passenger carrying vehicles and remote operations, and then through to eventually final autonomy. Our strong view is that in most parts of the world, we're going to start as a manned vehicle, at least for this decade, if not well into the next decade. It's a real privilege to work for Vertical. We've got incredible talent, huge ambition, and a real opportunity to change not just the face of aviation, but also how we all travel. I feel really blessed to work with such smart people on such a purposeful mission.